Having a ventilator like Sparrow really shows that excellent medicine we can bring to the patient's bedside. With it being reasonably priced and on the lower end of the price spectrum you would pay for any of the other fully functional turbine or piston driven ventilators, it is unparalleled, it is unmatched. You're bringing lung protective therapy through ventilation to your patients right there at the bedside. And any patient that is intubated and not in cardiac arrest really should be on a ventilator.